So what can we expect from your administration in trying to work with, people that are immigrants that are coming through the system to, one, not, maybe, I don't know if you guys are responsible for notifying ICE, but even if you're not, even if you have no control over that, if a member of the private bar or a member from someone from the public defender's office is trying to work out something that would allow this person to stay in the United States, is that something that you would train or encourage your prosecutors to do?
Yes. When I started as a prosecutor, they give you files. You have about 300 files or so, and they're telling you, all right, get after it, right? You're not trained about all the issues that you're going to encounter. You're not trained about the possible immigration consequences if someone pleads out a case, right? You're taught it if you're a public defender, if you're a defense attorney, right? And that's because recently, or actually not that long ago, it's the Supreme Court of Padilla versus Kentucky, right. Which is a landmark Supreme Court case, which is, for those who don't understand, immigrants in this country, before pleading out the case, they must be fully abreast as to the full immigration consequences before they plea out a case, right? The issue, what I've noticed in prosecution, especially throughout the state of Florida and South Florida, because we have a huge immigrant population, right? Spanning across Latin America, Central America, and the Caribbean. And also it adversely affects our Haitian community as well. I saw it firsthand as a prosecutor, and I see it firsthand now. As state attorney, I would invest in creating a Padilla unit, immigration unit, but we call it the Padilla unit. We have to look at the budgeting. We're gonna have to look at the numbers. First day of office, I'm gonna do an audit, full audit of the budget to see where we can create some of these units and where we can put some monies. But also there is grants and fundings out there for issues like that to where we can create a Padilla unit. And so this unit right now would probably have between 3 to 5 attorneys. If not, we're gonna at least have one attorney. Sole responsibility is to train our prosecutors on immigration issues that are going on, to fully understand immigration consequences before a case is pled out. There's always been a school of thought that state attorneys and prosecutors, we don't worry about that. We give our offer, we plead the case out, we leave that to the defendant and the defense attorney or defender to figure that out. I truly believe that when we don't even have to be in South Florida, which has a huge immigration population, I truly believe that state attorneys, prosecutors are the sole keepers of justice, fairness, and equality. And so I truly believe that if you're a prosecutor, you yourself should understand how someone's immigration status in this country could be affected by your plea offers. And you should understand certain facts and scenarios that are going on in a given situation before you offer a plea in a case. You still have to hold them accountable. If the facts are there and the issues are there and someone commits a heinous crime, you have to do what you have to do. But if there's a situation where we're being a little heavy-handed in our sentencing or our offers, and the facts don't add up with the police officer's probable cause affidavit, you see how everything's coming full scale here,
yes,
full circle here. You should be trained as a state attorney to understand the potential immigration consequences to someone pleading out to
absolutely.
a case. So to answer your question, yes, we will, and we'll go back retroactively. You know, I truly believe if someone brings it up, we'll look at those cases retroactively and do the right thing.
Right, because